Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to solve question number 2 of exercise 4.4 from chapter 4, which is simple equations. So, what is question 2? Solve the following. And A is the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So let's say the lowest marks is L. Okay, so what will be the highest? Highest equals to in her class is twice the lowest marks, means 2x 2 multiplied by lowest means L, 2L lowest mark plus 7 plus 7. So highest equals to 2L plus 7, correct? And the highest score is 87. So this is equals to highest equals to 87. Got it? What is the lowest score? Means we have to find the L value, correct? Just solve this equation and find the L value. Easy, right? So 2L equals to 87 minus 7. That means 80. So L equals to 80 by 2 means 40. So the lowest score is 40. Got it? Easy, right? Just write the this equation and solve the value of L. Correct? Now the B1. What is B? In an isosceles triangle. Hope you know about isosceles triangle. Where two sides, this side and this side, two sides of a triangle equals. Correct? If this equals to this, that means their corresponding angles will also be equals. This is the property of an isosceles triangle. Means angle this equals to angle this. Okay? Now, in an isosceles triangle, the base angle are equals. Here he already mentioned कि these two are equals, base angle. The vertex angle is 40 degree and this is 40 degree. Okay? What are the base angles of the triangle? So we have to find the base angles. This both are same, so just find any one of the angle. Okay? And we already know the sum of that angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Correct? Means this plus this plus this equals to 180 degree. Got it? Now let's say this is x. So this will also be x. Correct? So x angle x plus 40. Because two angles are same. So this plus this and this same. So x second angle is also x and third angle is 40. It's given. Equals to what? 180 degree. Right? Now 2x equals to what? This 40 will go this side, means 180 minus 40. Correct? That means 2x equals to what? 140. Correct? That means x equals to 70. So this is 70, this is also 70. So the base value is 70 degree. Correct? Easy, right? Now C. What is C? Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So let's imagine Rahul scored X. Okay? And Sachin equals to what? Twice as many runs as Rahul, means twice of Rahul. 2 into X. Okay? Together their runs fell too short of a double century. If we will combine together, this Rahul and Sachin score means x plus 2x. Correct? So this together, their run fell too short of a double century. Double century means 200. Century means 100. Double century means 200. And this, their run fell too short, means it fell too short of double century. Means the 200 minus 2. Correct? Because it fell too short of a double century. That means this is the equation. How many runs did each one score? Means we have to find x value and 2x value. Means Rahul score and Sachin score. Got it? Now solve this. 2x plus 2x means 3x equals to 198. So x equals to 198 by 3. That means 3 6 ja 18 and 3 6 ja 18. So x equals to 66. That means Rahul scored 66 run. Okay, and that Sachin. What about Sachin? Sachin is twice into x, means 66, means 132. So Rahul scored 66 and Sachin scored 132. Okay, easy. Now third, question number 3 of 1. Solve the following. First one, Irfan says that he had 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. So let's imagine Parmeet has x marble and Irfan. So what will be the Irfan marble? So Irfan has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Means 5 times of x plus 7 more. Correct? Irfan has 37 marble and it's already mentioned that he has 37 marbles. Means 5x plus 7 equals to 37. Okay. How many marbles does Parmeet have? So we have to find the value of x. Correct? Now 5x equals to what? 37 minus 7 means 30. So x equals to 6. That means Parmeet has 6 marbles. Easy, right? Now, second. Lakshmi father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So let's imagine Lakshmi age is x. So her father age is 4 years older than, means plus 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi age, means 3 times Lakshmi age. Correct? So 3 times Lakshmi age plus 4 more. And this is the age of her father and this is 49. It's given. Got it? So we have to calculate the value of x. Right? So 3x equals to 49 minus 4 means 45. So x equals to 45 by 3 means 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. So that means Lakshmi is what? Lakshmi is 15 years old. Got it? Okay. Hope it's clear for you. Now the third one. What is the third one? People of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 times more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. Okay. So let's imagine fruit trees is x. The number of fruit trees is x. So non-fruit tree. So non-fruit tree is what? 2 more than, means 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees, means 3 times of x and 2 more. Correct? What was the number of fruit trees planted? If the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77, that means the value of non-fruit trees equals to 77. That means 3x plus 2 equals to 77. Got it? Now find the value of x. 3x equals to 77 minus 2. That means 75. So x equals to what? 75 by 3 means 3 2 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15 means 25. So the number of fruit trees is 25. Okay? Got it? Now question number 4. Solve the following riddle. I am a number. Tell my identity. So just imagine the identity is what? X. Imagine anything. The number is x. Okay? Take me 7 times over. Take me 7 times over. Means 7 times means what? 7 multiplied by x. Correct? So take me 7 times over. So 7 into x. and add a 50. So in this add 50. Got it? Means take me 7 times over. So 7 multiplied by this identity and add a 50. So add 50 in this number. Okay. Now to reach a triple century means what? 300. Correct? So to reach triple century, you still need 40. Means this is not sufficient to reach 300. Still we need 40. Means we have to add 40 in this equation. Means 7x plus 50 and plus this is what? We have to add 40 to reach 300. Means this was 40 less than 300. So if we will add 40 in this equation, it will reach 300. Got it? Now solve this. 7x plus 90 equals to 300. That means 7x equals to 300 minus 90 means 210. That means x equals to 30. So the identity is 30. The number is 30. Got it? Hope it's clear for you. This was the last question of exercise 4.4. If you have any doubt in this exercise 4.4, please write your comment in the comment section. Also, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.